morning, sir. So, today we'll discuss the stability booklet. What information is found in the stability booklet? Ang stability booklet kay nag-contain og important information about sa stability sa barko sama sa ship particulars, length, breadth, draft, and displacement. Hydrostatic tables o stability curves, example GC curve, and GM or may metacentric height data, loading conditions, light ship, full load, and ballast condition. Tank capacities o cargo spaces, center of gravity, information, damage, stability data kung may flooding, stability limits o safety criteria. Kini nga booklet nag-explain unsa ang pagbehave sa barko sa tubig depende sa loading ug weight distribution. And why is it very important for seafarers? Importante kay ni ang stability booklet kay makatabang para malikayan ang capsizing, guide sa officers during loading o ballasting. Sigurado nga within stability limits ang barko, makatabang maintain sa proper trim o less required by maritime law and useful during emergency situations. So in short, sir, ang stability booklet mao ang guide para mapabilin nga safe, balance ug seaworthy ang barko sa dagat. And that's all, sir. Thank you.